everyone, welcome again to Molin Cares. Welcome to the Africa Culture Promotion Center. This is your girl Molin, and I am today at the opening of Plumule. This is an Expat store was in Rotterdam. If you haven't seen my previous video about Plumule Expat store in Rotterdam, please have a look. I'll leave it in the link below. And then now they are open in the Leidschendam Mall in The Hague, so you don't have to order online anymore. You can just come to the Leidschendam Mall in The Hague. So come with me, let's have a look. So this is the Plumule, the Expat store, and today they are open. They have everything that an expat needs to survive in the Netherlands, and they are on the right at the entrance from the second floor. When you park upstairs in the Leidschendam Mall at the entrance, and you come right in, right opposite the Nam Hong, just before, next to the vitamin store. So when you come, it's next to the vitamin store, and then you come right in. And today is the opening, and everything has been good. We've enjoyed very nice snacks, and this is a taste of what you can find. So let's see. I take you through. Have a look and enjoy. Of course, Cadbury's, Smarties. Oh, this is like candy heaven. You're from England and you want some Yorkshire tea, berry steam. Of course, they have a lot more. And today in the opening, they have, as of tomorrow, the 15th of April is open. So let's have a look. Hi guys, are you shopping?
No, we're playing, trying to catch alpha.
Playing, okay. Let the playing people play. Goldfish.
As long as I can have my fun.
Hello.
Hello.
You
want a photo with me?
Oh, I want a photo with a handsome guy. If you want a photo with a handsome guy. Oh, this So Nando's papers. I'm making a short video to let people know that they can find all this here. Yes, at the end I'm gonna say she made it all possible. Ben's Originals, fried, HP sauce. Ah, Peppa Pig! What is that? Peppa Pig Muddy Puddle Cupcakes. Oh, Peppa Pig Muddy Puddle Cupcakes. That's so cute. Oh, Pop-Tarts. My kids are crazy about Pop-Tarts. All kinds of cereals. And this is not all they have. This is just a taste of what they have. Because, of course, they're going to get stocked up. And then you can see more what they have. So this is just a taste. Coleman's custard.
Because in Rwanda, we stopped in the plane in Rwanda, say, leave your plastic bags.
Rice pudding.
Very clean, plastic is not allowed.
We're not used to that.
Okay, so this is partly nicely set up. Twinkles, ding dongs. Oh my god, when did I last test these? This is so cute. Okay. Oh, nerds. My kids go crazy about the nerds. It's all about the nerds. Nerds and more nerds. How many nerds does one need? Cookies. Ooh, Ritz cookies. Oh, coffee mate. Classic recipes. You know how you go to England and then you want to carry things from England and carry things from everywhere? Now you don't have to. It's all here. Smart food. So guys, yeah, there you go. That's Florence. That's the lady.
Hello everybody, this is Plumule Expat Store, the Hague, and we've got lots of products. American products, British products, name it, international products, African products,
Yep.
South African, Indian, Mexican, we've got it. So please, come and feel at home right here in the Netherlands. We look forward to seeing you here. You're all welcome. Thank you. Ciao, ciao. Let's enjoy right
Thank
here
you.
in Holland.
In the Leichendam Mall.
In Leichendam. Okay, I have to go back to that again. Welcome to Wesfield, the Mall of the Netherlands.
Yes, thank you so much. So you had it, guys. Come to Plumule in the Leichendam Mall at the Westfield Mall of the Netherlands. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe so that you can be updated. I'm always going around finding new things, enjoying them and sharing them. So bye.